Welcome into the channel, guys. Thanks for stopping by. As the title of this video indicates, we are putting together a recipe today for garlic shrimp fried rice. Let's go ahead and get started. All of the ingredients used in this recipe is conveniently listed in the description box for you, as always. All right, let's go ahead and get right into it. I have my shrimp here. I'm using jumbo shrimp. Adding in some kosher salt, white pepper, and baking soda. Making sure each piece is coated. This is going to thoroughly marinate it. And now I'm going to go ahead and mix together my ingredients for my sauce. I have some sugar here, some sea salt, some white pepper. I'm using some Shaoxing wine vinegar and soy sauce. We're going to move over to the stove now, where I'm going to go ahead and add to my wok. I have 1/4 cup of cooking oil that I'm using here. Adding my ginger and my garlic. Letting it cook down just a bit, and now I'm going to go ahead and add in my shrimp. I'm cooking my shrimp only long enough for the color to turn pink, and then I will be removing it because it will finish cooking with the rest of the ingredients later. Turning each piece to make sure each piece cooks on each side. Only for a few minutes because I'm not cooking it through and through. Alright, it's time to go ahead and remove my shrimp. I'm going in now with my rice and letting my rice cook just a bit just to get that flavor infused into it. Tossing to coat. And then I'll go ahead and add in my remaining ingredients. Here's my scrambled eggs that I'm going to be using. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and add in the remaining ingredients. Here you see me adding my prepared sauce, tossing my rice to coat. I'm adding in my yellow and green onion, tossing in to get them sauteed down a bit. And now I'm adding in my scrambled eggs. Coming in now with the star of the show, my shrimp, my garlic shrimp, should I say. Adding my mixed veggies. For my preferred taste, I'm coming in with a bit more soy sauce. This time I'm using the dark premium soy sauce. is #1, and a little bit of sesame oil. And this recipe is done, guys. Covering it just a bit to let my shrimp cook just a bit more, and it is ready. A little bit of effort goes a long way. This recipe has turned out really well, and we are about to sit down to dinner. Thanks for hanging out with Chuckwuemeka Kitchen again today, guys. And as always, Yah willing, we shall see you on the next one. Shalom.